Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, the iPad 2025, and how you can enhance your Roblox experience using a soundboard in voice chat. Whether you're a seasoned Roblox player or just starting out, this guide will help you add a whole new layer of fun to your gaming sessions. First off, let's talk about the iPad 2025. With its sleek design, powerful A15 chip, and stunning liquid retina display, this device is perfect for gaming. The improved battery life means you can enjoy longer play sessions without worrying about running out of juice. Plus, the iPad's lightweight build makes it easy to carry around, so you can game wherever you go. Now, onto the main event, using a soundboard in Roblox Voice Chat. Soundboards can really elevate your gameplay, allowing you to express yourself and interact with friends in a fun and engaging way. Here's how to get started. First, you'll need to download a Soundboard app from the App Store. There are plenty of options available, so take a moment to explore and find one that suits your style. Once you've installed the app, open it up and browse through the sound clips. You'll find everything from funny sound effects to iconic quotes that can add a unique twist to your conversations in Roblox. Next, make sure your iPad's microphone settings are configured correctly. Go to your iPad settings, find the privacy section, and ensure that the Soundboard app has permission to access your microphone. This step is crucial, as it allows the app to transmit sounds directly into your Roblox voice chat. Now, let's jump into Roblox. Open the game you want to play and join a voice chat room. Once you're in, simply switch back to your Soundboard app and select the sound you want to play. Tap the button, and voila! Your friends will hear the sound in real time, making your gaming experience even more interactive and entertaining. Remember to use the Soundboard responsibly. While it's all about having fun, it's important to be respectful to other players. Keep the atmosphere lighthearted and enjoyable for everyone involved. After all, gaming is about building connections and sharing laughs. As you explore this new feature, don't hesitate to experiment with different sounds and see what resonates with your friends. You might discover some hilarious combinations that become your go-to during gaming sessions. Thanks for tuning in today. We hope this guide helps you make the most of your iPad 2025 and enhances your Roblox experience. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tricks. Happy gaming, and we'll see you in the next video. Using a soundboard on Roblox VC with your iPad 2025 can make your gaming experience more fun and engaging. To set it up, you'll need a third-party soundboard app or virtual audio routing tool that redirects your chosen sounds through the microphone input.